Hi, hi, hi. I was here at the Canzelle Alpacas Farm in Carpinteria, California. I had so much fun feeding this lucky alpaca. It liked munching on sweet carrots first and then everything else. Munch, munch, munch. It took a while for the alpaca to eat all the pellets. This black alpaca looks so cute. These alpacas are really polite and courteous. They have a designated bathroom spot. This interesting looking alpaca pen is for sale in their gift shop. These alpaca dolls for sale are giving me the 4th of July vibes. I really wanted to buy this doll, but it was beyond my budget. And before I left their store, I glanced outside. This is the look. It was beautiful.